I want to show you something. This is how we're not normally looked after. This is our kit room for the shoot here at the Burj Khalifa. We've got this space all to ourselves. We can eat in here, we can download footage in here, keep our kit in here and do whatever they're pretending to do in here. Normally, this would be in the basement somewhere. Here, we're on the 112th floor and we're barely halfway up the building. And this is all our space. It's a life of luxury. I don't like it, it's going to spoil them. They'll come to expect this in the next location. They'll be back to a shed in the basement. Also, all of a sudden, usually our lunch is whatever you can grab from a petrol station as you go by. 112 floors up. Look, these are big buildings and they look small from here. There's what? Well, it goes up to 163 floors. But then beyond that, that's nowhere near the top. The pinnacle, the spire on top of that, which you'll see in the show we're going up. It means we're barely halfway here. Look at it.